Hey everyone, Nancy here, and today I want to talk to you about a very special product line. If you've been following my work, you know I love the SeaQuarius line that is just amazing for your skin. I have 3 items today. I have the Sea Serum, which is a collagen booster. It's wonderful. And then I have the See My Eyes, and it's all SEA, so it's a nice little play on words. And then I also have the Sea Cream, which would be your general moisturizer for your face, neck, décolleté. Okay, let's start with the serum. I apply this to freshly cleansed skin. And you use your cleanser, use your scrubs, use your toner first. Let that dry a little bit, and then I put on my Sea Serum. This is a seaweed collagen booster. Let me tell you guys, it really works. I have a little bit of crow's feet. See, look, here we go. Around here, I haven't had Botox in over 6 months, and so that's long gone. Botox typically lasts around 3, maybe 4 months. 6 months, you don't really have anything anymore to speak of. Okay, so this is really helping. It's helping to ease these lines. I put this on during the day, okay, because I use my retinol or tretinoin at night, and this is my new go-to. Absolutely love it. In the morning, yes. It is made from seaweed, or with seaweed certainly, and it does have a little bit of, you know, the scent of the sea, you know, I call it. It doesn't bother me. You know, I'm a beach goer. I love the beach. I love the water. It's not a strong smell at all. And you put this on, and let me tell you, this really makes a difference in your skin. I won't use the word lifted, but I notice the rest of my face too. I mean, I'm 66. I do the majority of my videos with no makeup. I mean, no, underlining it as I say it, you know, no makeup. I do have a swipe of my my L'Oreal, you know, that I like my favorite lipstick on, just, you know, to have something on, you know. I put on a pair of earrings, you know. Oh boy. But anyhow, so, you know, I'm not, you know, made up. Okay, this is the real deal here. Okay, you know, I'm proud of my skin at 66. I'm probably happier with my skin today than I was when I was 16 or 25, because I complained like probably all of us did, and you know. But at 66, I'm cutting myself a little slack, and I'm still saying, you know, my skin is good. You know, I've got good firmness to it. I've got, you know, like I say, I haven't been for Botox in a long time. I'll probably go again, but not right now, because I'm seeing less. They're not as deep. Okay, I don't have before and afters. You know, I don't always think to do that, but they're not as deep as they were. Okay, and it's not just from the serum; it's the other 2 products combined. Because next I have the See My Eyes. Okay, and this goes on around the eye area, and this also has a nice dispenser on it. Okay, and it has the pump top that I like a lot, you know, and there we go. That's probably about as much as I would put around both eyes. All right, and I'm going to rub it in right now because it feels so good. It has it's a clean smell, but it's not highly fragranced, and I like that a lot because I'm outdoors a lot, and as you know, if you have on a lot of fragrance, whether it's not necessarily perfume, but any of your other products, whether it's hair, skin, you know, makeup, and you go out there and they're perfumey, you're going to attract about every, you know, insect that you could ever, you know, want. They're going to, here in South Florida for sure. And here's my wonderful cream that I apply. And this is the Sea Cream, and this goes all over your face. Okay, I'm not doing it here in front of you, but I typically apply it to the décolleté area too. Okay, and anything left that may be on I do this. Just rub it into your arms, rub it into your elbows. This is really nice. This is a fresh cream here. Now, this is also firming. It says youthful aging, seaweed firming cream. Seaweed is an excellent, excellent product, ingredient for products. Makes an excellent product. I'm talking too fast. I do that, you know. and it is wonderful. I can't recommend it enough. There's a courtesy link below. I did receive these items from SeaQuarius, and I thank, the wonderful people, Rick and everybody at SeaQuarius. Thank you. I have known Rick virtually through business for about 15 years, I suppose, something like that. And I was there when he was still in the development stage of these products, and they're terrific. I mean, please go check it out. I've got the link in the box below, and that's going to be it for today. And I wish you all every happiness, and keep smiling, guys, and like yourself. Do something good for yourself. Get some of this. Okay, bye-bye.